Hello guys, and welcome to website of the day. Today's website is TinyWow. I want to teach you a lot about this website because it has different tools. It has a lot of tools that people are charging for, and it gives you these tools for free. Like even if you're a content creator or you own a business or you have your own business, you can be able to use this website. You see it has like PDF tools, it has video tools, it has image tools, it has converter tools and other tools. Like you can make your own meme, you can create a zip file. There's a lot of things that you can basically do with this website. I love the design, I love how it looks, and it's also friendly. And most of the advantages about it is that you don't have to sign in. You can use all these tools outside of the website, and it's faster. Let's try and use maybe one template, maybe image. Let's remove background for an image. Like, it's very easy and faster. But most people will be charging you remove an image. If you hire now a graphic designer and say, can you remove a background for me here, they're going to be charging you. And for more videos, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and like. I'm going to be showing you a lot of technical website that you can use, going to make your life very easier and save a lot of hours. So while we're waiting it to process, you see it's displaying ads, like it shows that it's free. They're already making their money through ads. They don't need you to pay. You are making everything free. You can actually use also video templates. You can actually use image tools. You can actually use PDF tools for free. As you can see, it's done. Yeah, it's done now. You see, it removed all the background that was here in this picture. I'm gonna show you how it looked before I uploaded the picture, and you see how it looks. It removed all the background. You can also add your own background, either from your files or from your Google Drive if you have it. You can select color if you want to add a color, and then if you want to download it like this, you can also download it to your files. You click download, and then you click download, select save to your device, and then it goes straight to your device. And if you want to go back home, you can just click that TinyWow there. It takes you back to the home of the website. You see, you haven't signed in still, and you can still use other tools like video tools. Select video tools. It's gonna show you all the tools are in a video. You can extract a YouTube video to text. You can download a video from Instagram. You can compress a video. You can download a TikTok video. There's a lot that you can do with this. This website actually gives you a lot of options to explore other websites using it. You understand? So this is more like a bargain for you, and it's completely free. So for more videos like this, please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. I'm going to be dropping every video teaching you giving you websites that are going to be more time saving. And thank you for watching.